Sometimes you are in a situation where you have to refuse, where you have to turn down the offer. How to say no to the recruiter once you have received offer? Now you are thinking that no, this is not something which you were hoping. How to turn down that option so that you will not damage your relationship with the recruiter, because who knows, in future you have to again speak with the same company or with same recruiter for any future position.
Again, it has to be relational. What I would say is any opportunity that comes your way and is an offer is an opportunity for you to negotiate. So if the salary expectation is not quite right, there must be an opportunity or a window for you to be able to say, look, I really like your organization, I like the environment, I like everything about your offer. However, financially, I simply can't accept on this level. Is there a way that you could perhaps seek more budget and get closer to a figure, and give them a figure? And then say, if you were able to offer me that particular amount that I'm looking for, which is market value, I would accept. Right. So, but if there is no movement, then obviously there is an opportunity for you to say no. If you are to say no, always say no with a smile on your face. Never say no and be abrupt, but offer the reasons. I really enjoyed, and start off by mentioning the positives. I really enjoyed meeting with you. It was great for you to give me an introduction to your organization. I really did consider it lengthily about the opportunity of working with you. However, unfortunately, I have another offer which I simply must accept, unless of course you can get close.
You can watch more videos on my channel related to this. Thank you.